Hello and welcome. Let's do some math. So first, let's understand how we add and subtract. So look at this. When you have 3 plus 2, you're going to have equal signs. That means that you're going to add. Now, look at this. The bully keeps the sign. What that means is that the largest number, and I call it the bully so that way you remember, is going to keep the sign. Now, 3 plus 2 is going to be equals to 5. 3 plus 3, we know it's going to be equals to 6. Now, the problem comes here when you have negative 3 plus 2. When you have different signs, just subtract. So negative 3 plus 2 is just basically going to be, if you subtract, it's going to be 1. But who's the bully here, or the largest number? Negative 3, so the bully keeps the sign, so it's minus 1. Notice here that I have negative 3 minus 3. They're equal signs. So equal signs, you're going to add, and the bully keeps the sign. So 3 plus 3 is the same as 6, but negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6. Let's go ahead and practice. Negative 5 plus 3, are they equal or different signs? They're different signs, so I'm going to subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2, the bully is 5, and that's minus 2. Negative 6 minus 4, different or equal signs? Equal signs, and this is going to be equals to negative 10 because 6 and 4 are 10, and the bully is negative 6. Negative 7 plus 4 is going to be subtraction, so 3, who's the bully? Negative 7. Negative 3 plus 6, that's going to be equals to what? 6 minus 3 is 3, and 6 is the largest number, so you keep the positive sign. Negative 2 minus 10 is going to add, because it's equal signs, and it's going to be negative 12. Now here, look what I'm going to do. I have negative 3 minus 10 plus 5 plus 3. When you have something like this, try to first cancel out the signs or the numbers that have different signs, because negative 3 plus 3 is going to be 0, and now I have negative 10 plus 5. Are these signs equal or different? They are different, so I'm going to subtract. Negative 10 plus 5 is going to be equals to 5. Negative 10 is the bully, so this is negative 5. Now let's do it with letters. Look at this. Is it different? No. And this is what we need to understand about pre-algebra. Once you understand this, your life is going to be much easier. So negative 5x plus 3x, are they equal or different signs? They're different signs. So 5 and 3, you subtract, is going to be 2. And who's the bully? It's this guy right here. So this is negative 2x. Negative 8x minus 2x. Are they equal or are they different? They're equal, so I'm going to add. So this is the same as 8 and 2 is 10. And negative 8 is the bully. That's why you put a negative. Negative 10x minus 3x. Equal or different? Equal. So I'm going to add. And I'm going to put negative because negative 10x minus 3x is negative 13, negative 6x plus 5x. I'm going to add or subtract. Subtract. Now, I'm going to put here a 1x. Negative 6 is the bully, so you get the sign. By the way, negative 1x is the same as negative x. There's an invisible one right there. Negative 6 plus 6. Do you have equal signs or different signs? Different signs, so I'm going to subtract. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. Can I write down this? Well, what you want to write down is just 0, or just basically, just 0. Negative 7x plus 3x. I'm going to subtract. This is going to be 4x. Who's the bully? Negative. So this is negative 4x. Very, very, very important. Important. And this is what we're going to do for the next lesson. We're going to learn how to multiply when you have different signs. Conclusion, and let's wrap up here. As you can see here, if you have to add and subtract and you have it in pre-algebra or with letters, all what you want to do is the different signs, you subtract. The bully keeps the sign, so negative 3 plus 2, I subtract. Negative 3 is the largest, negative 1. And equal signs, the bully keeps the sign. Now, if I want to understand this is basically what's happening. You're having 5 negative with 3 positive. And then if you do, if you cancel out, what do you get? Negative 2. You can do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if you add them all, what are you going to get? Negative 10. So that is another way of seeing it. Negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, if you do this, then you have -3. Now, this is a way to understand it, but honestly, you need to get faster. Once you understand it, whatever way you get it, then, you can start doing these babies right here. See you next time. Next time, we're going to talk about multiplication and division. Have a good day.